I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove paint from a school bag. First, identify the type of paint, whether it's water-based or oil-based, as this determines the cleaning method. Always test any cleaning solution on a small, inconspicuous area of the bag first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration or damage. Gently scrape off any excess dried paint using a dull knife or the edge of a credit card to remove as much as possible before applying liquids. For fresh water-based paint, immediately blot the area with a clean, damp cloth, working from the outside in. If the paint has dried, mix warm water with a few drops of mild dish soap. Apply this solution to the stain with a soft brush or sponge, gently scrubbing in small circular motions. Rinse the treated area thoroughly with clean water and allow the bag to air dry completely. When dealing with oil-based paint, you'll need a solvent like mineral spirits or turpentine. Apply a small amount, perhaps a quarter teaspoon, to a clean, white cloth. Gently blot the paint stain, moving from the outer edges towards the center to prevent spreading. After the paint is lifted, rinse the area with warm, soapy water to remove any solvent residue, then air dry. For very stubborn or old paint stains, you might consider using a commercial paint remover specifically designed for fabric. Always read and follow the product's instructions carefully, as these can be quite strong. If the stain isn't completely gone after the first attempt, you can repeat the cleaning process, ensuring the bag dries fully between each try. Finally, always air dry your bag completely to prevent any mildew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.